I did.
That's what they do, man. On the Friday morning
Friday. I look like a child.
It's Friday, and I'm ready to sing. Pick up my girl into the party scene tonight. Oh, it's alright. So get up and let this fucking melody get you in the mood. Cause you know it's alright to be the DJ. Keep on moving. Keep on moving.
Let's stop moving.
Don't stop moving.
Hey.
Let me see you go. Let me see you go. Back
and forth.
Let
I know
me
that part.
see you go.
Back and forth.
Back, forth and forth.
Back and forth.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, na Friday.
Yeah.
That's what they do, man.
Yeah.
We're happy people.
La la la, Friday. La la la, Friday.
I just remember one of my boo friend. You also have a corner. Only when they dance, maybe they press phone. Only lights. If you don't pass, you say, uncle.
Calm down.
What's wrong with you? If you say me, you just eternal joy.
Oh, Lord.
Woo!
Yeah. I say I look like a baby.
Yeah, it's just remind me of something.
Hot sweep.
And for back, you're hold on me. Yeehaw! Django.
You remember this song? I be 16, yes. I gotta be like this, so if you... I go tell mommy, oh, I be innocent. I gotta be like this, so if you... I go tell mommy, oh, I be 16, yes. I gotta be like this, so if you... I could tell mommy, oh.
So filling the blank space.
Yeah. That's for you.
It's for blank space and you feeling it. You understand me now?
What's up, people? Welcome to Padi Padi show. That is the show that all things happen. That is the show that anything is the way you think. You see, we're not really much of informing people. No. We say it as it is.
Yes,
we express ourselves as it is. As a matter of fact, we are versatile people. We have a different talent. We sing.
We sing.
We rap.
We rap.
We motivate.
Motivation.
We coach.
Coach.
We plan.
Blah, 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 blah.
We MC.
MC.
We teach language.
Teach language.
We teach mathematics.
Teach mathematics, yeah.
We do everything.
Everything is everything. Yeah.
We cater for your marital problem.
Catering for your management problem.
Relationship problem.
Relationship problem.
Colleague problem.
Colleague problem.
Non-payment of salary problem.
Non-payment of salary problem.
We advise you on everything.
Spiritual problem too.
All of the above.
Home problem, yeah. Mental issues. Mitochondrial problem, yeah. Every kind of problem.
Ogbola, you're good. Ogbola, you're good. No, your present continuous. Ogbola, you're good.
Good. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah, dab. Oh, say. Real quick. Come on. That is some word right there.
She said it again, my dear.
Yeah.
Tyler Perry, my dear.
Yeah.
You say, hold on to some roots.
Yes.
In fact, the roots hold on to that.
As a matter of fact, if you have roots in your family, in your life, you didn't really need much of anything.
No.
Because the leaves will wither.
Yes.
The branches will break.
Exactly.
People are even going to cut it down.
Exactly.
But the roots it stayed there.
The root is remained.
It gives you life.
It remained the same.
Yeah.
It never changes.
And that is what brings us to what we are going to talk about.
Exactly.
You know, see, like I said before, we do everything. Right now, we want to motivate you.
Motivate, yeah.
Oh, stop it. When you do that, you take me to another level.
Don't worry, girl. You know, that's how I just do stuff.
You know how to level me up.
You know, I just try.
You are my roots.
You know. I say root, now my mind just go jadi. All right.
Okay. So, we want to talk about a few things. You know, every Friday, we know they really to get sense. We go just come here, just come talk.
Yeah.
So this is one of our come talk
But the person will get sense, go find
you go feel am
inside the
contact. So, you know, they say a word is enough for the wise. Sharp. They say aboro la so for moluabi to ba dinu e asekini adodidi.
Adogidi.
Adodidi. Adodidi.
Adodidi.
You're gonna say ogidi. Adodidi. And you're so cute.
Adodidi. I just follow the talk. I also don't talk rubbish.
No. But you talk never. All right, so now it gets on particular people waiting for inside your life.
Yeah.
Where we say, how do I explain this thing now? In English, they call them toxic people.
Wahala, just put up some page in English. People, the way they give you wahala.
When we say
their presence for your life.
Yes, their negativity is too much.
You're not jail for your life at all.
And anytime when they're around, negative energy just full everywhere. They are very, they bring out the worst in you.
Very pessimistic.
Yes.
They don't see good thing.
They don't see good thing. Anything
you do is then they see cup as half empty.
Yes. Instead make it seem as half full.
Exactly.
You know, so, they know anytime when something they happen, now always it go spoil you. What if it spoil you? They never ever see things like if he make if he better, you know, very toxic
they
people.
They see the negative side of everything.
Everything.
They never acknowledge the good side.
Yeah, like they make everything life difficult.
So everybody get those kind of people somehow.
They get problem for every solution.
You know, no be lie.
Yes.
Problem for every solution. Not the solution to every problem.
Yes.
Problem for every solution. If you say more done like this, say, but if you go done like this, what if it no work? Why no kuku talk say what if it work?
Yes.
Those kind of people now want to talk about.
We want to talk about them.
You take comot them for your life.
How you go off them for your life. I think we're going to go on a break.
Yeah.
When we come down from this break, we're going to teach you. We're going to teach you.
Teach you.
How?
How?
To uproot.
To uproot.
Those kind of people.
Those kind of people.
To eliminate.
To eliminate.
To excommunicate.
Excommunicate.
To enumerate. No worry. No, just continue. Enumerate.
To enumerate.
To cut off.
To cut off.
To wither off.
To wither off.
To ask your daddy.
Oh God. See, not try also. You know, all those leaf and stem when no good for your life.
You are going to take it what?
Now. You understand? You take it away.
And toss it into the blazing fire.
Exactly.
And say, no, I need you not in my lifespan. Our ecosystem is not really the same. Bye for life.
Oh no. Okay,
I'm walking away.
From all the troubles in my life, I'm walking away.
I'm going to find a better place. I'm walking away. I'm walking away.
From all the toxic in my life,
I'm walking away. Going to find a better. They don't catch us.
They catch us.
All right, okay, so we're back. Now, we they talk about how to excommunicate them, how to escort them, how to give them firing squad. Inside your life. Yes, how to commot them for your life.
Yes.
And the first one, you need to tell yourself that you don't need them. Because it's one thing for you to know, for a person to talk to you, say, these people, they will only cause you pain. It's one thing for you to accept them by yourself, saying that true.
First of all,
go down low. So the first thing, you need to tell yourself, say, come on, this kind of person will be say every time, you always play the victim. Every time, you know, they get correct mind. Every time, now in something they always do. Only when you need me, they find something. Anyone they find something, they look for me. Only when they every time criticize me, now you go tell yourself, say, come. Assuming the person name now, Surah. You will say, Surah, I really don't need Surah in my life. Sometimes if you really like this person, do you know that?
Yes.
Sometimes if you be saying one of your friends where you like well, but that person is only being toxic in your life.
Sometimes if it be person where you love,
where you
actually, in relationship with.
Yes.
So not be just one side.
Yes.
If it be relationship, if it be normal friend.
Yes.
Either way.
It can be anything. So first of all, you need to tell yourself, say you have to do something about it. You need to admit, say that person is not good for you.
Yes.
For starters.
So now the first one be that one.
Admission.
First of all, you go down low inside yourself and ask yourself question.
Talk to your mitochondria.
Talk to your mitochondria.
Say self will answer you.
You understand?
Yeah.
Then from there, you tell yourself the truth first.
Tell yourself
then secondly, now, Now, can't decide for your mind, say time to waka.
Time to go, time to go, time to go.
Time to go, time to go, time to go.
Yeah.
I cannot remain with this particular friendship anymore. After you don't talk to yourself, one, you can't say, okay, now my time now to come waka be this.
I know fit.
You understand?
I can't.
I cannot look back anymore. You understand? I not be like dog where we go back to him vomit. No. You know, then just move on. Move on and move on. Decide to move on. See the better future and move on.
Now, I'll tell you the third one. You know, some people feel talk, say, why you just move on like that? It good, may you let person know why you just give them space. You don't have to explain to anybody. But if you feel the need, if you are so much of a good of a person, speak up. Call the person. Tell them, say, look.
You are toxic to me.
Oh. You dey feel am, abi?
You are just toxic to me.
You dey feel am?
Yes.
Yeah.
Every time you come and leave me like that, every time you just come out, I just feel low. I just feel low. Like I don't get value for my life again.
People go come and ask me, are you okay? Anytime where I come out for your place, especially if you dey relationship with a toxic person, you look sick all the time.
Depressed.
Used. Abused.
Yeah, abused.
Surrogate used.
Every used. You understand? You feel caged. You feel imprisoned. Yeah.
You feel like compium.
You feel badly.
Yes.
You understand me?
Yeah.
So
you go ask the person, say, come.
Speak up.
I'm sorry,
Yes.
Not beside I get any bad belly for you, but you are not good for me. Simple.
Finish.
And then the third one.
And that fourth one day.
Fourth one.
After speak up.
Yes. No, they pretend.
No, they pretend like say everything they okay. You see some people they're going to bring excuse for that person.
No, you know me now.
Maybe no me now. Maybe in the vex. Maybe he go change. I go change him. Or maybe God go change him.
No, you know, now my friend, we don't be friends since from childhood.
I sabi like that. Just
we
take him
finish
like
school
that.
together. Now so you don't be. No.
Not they pretend like everything they okay. Because if you continue to pretend like everything they okay, you as a person, your status, your value as person will reduce. Because every time that person come for your life like this,
it takes a piece of you away.
It takes a piece of you away.
Yes.
Like this motto, for example, now.
Too much load.
The value of this motto, it have come down. Because there's too much load on the motto.
Too much
That's
baggage.
how yourself will come and be. Because baggage plenty, too much. You get me now? There are bitter people outside
Very
there.
bitter.
Some people don't want to make you just happy because them said they're not happy. So you need to find out who these people be for your life and say, no.
Because I'll tell you what,
I will never
toxic people can be
anymore.
very, very vindictive.
Yes.
They go make you feel like, say, now only you don't do bad thing. Like, say, them, they know they do anything bad. And then they take energy. So they went on, maybe when they argue, no, now, I didn't do this. The way they zap energy out of you. You don't get strength again.
And
You know what they talk. Know.
Like, you know, some of these people, sometimes, because even as we talk this thing now,
They press you.
On a more serious note, even as we talk this thing, you would even watch self. You also need to even ask yourself,
if you are that
you
kind
self
of
be that kind of person to somebody.
Yeah.
Ask yourself whether you self be that kind of person to somebody, whether you be toxic person to somebody, to some kind of people, whether you as a person, you know, whether your relationship with somebody or your friendship with somebody, whether they help the person
or they bring down the person.
You self ask yourself, because you know, say it's not easy
to criticize other people.
As we talk now, some people they point fingers at that person. Now that one. You self check yourself. Ask yourself that question. You make people feel good about themselves or not?
Am I toxic to you?
No, you are not a toxic person. If no, me I know you no go down there. Me I know the feel stay safe. I know the feel stay with person with toxic. No, you go not hear me the complaint.
They hard.
I know even me. I can be complain for toxic person. I can be speak up.
There's a difference between being stubborn and being toxic.
Stubborn different.
There's a difference.
Some people stubborn and their stubborn is even cute. Some girls
they look there like this.
They look like this.
What kind of stubbornness with this?
They can't do, but some people their own toxicness. Everything just you know everything you want to try. I talk this from experience too.
You go give them, you cannot satisfy them with anything. There's always something wrong with everything you do.
So you said you got to check around you.
If you're that kind of person.
Whether if you be that kind of person or you get this kind of people around you, time to let go. You understand?
Yes.
But if you're that kind of person, you save time for you to come change, don't reach. Because you know go keep people around.
And the last one, be wise about it. Because a toxic person can be your mother-in-law.
Exactly.
A toxic person can even be the man you married or the woman you married.
Exactly.
A toxic person can be your boss, your
at the office. Exactly.
A toxic person can be your landlord. So be careful. Make sure you have some wisdom. Because Oh, no. If you go and misdo it anyhow,
it can still come and affect you last.
Hello, you cannot quote us. Because they'll just say, is it these two people that say, disclaimer, we didn't say it, sir. It was just Friday show, we were just talking.
I were not there.
We didn't know anything,
I were not there.
So be wise.
So be wise. Put wisdom for the whole thing.
Have some sense.
Bam. You know? So just in case you get that kind of person around you, as they come out them, you go use sense, they adjust. Use sense. They adjust.
Use sense. So not allow them do fuel cue for your brain. Bam. Use sense.
All right.
Laugh the laugh.
Laugh the laugh video. You see, consign this thing what they do right about now. What we talk about right now. You understand me now? So watch it and you said improve yourself in the memory and
I hope with these few points of ours, we have been able to convince you and not to confuse you. That anything you do, you're your own.
Bam. You only mean one thing. You know, most of the time when people don't complain for your head, then they like that's when they give off sometimes. Then they like the person do it back to them. You understand? Most times, most people when they even toxic, you know, they also like make person. You see, at the end of the day, that's why everybody always thinks that they're a holy pass. Last, oh man, they try say now you too good pass.
Oh man, now holy. Oh man, now holy.
So last, man, do unto others how you want them to treat you.
Yeah, so you need to check yourself. Look how they give guys attitude because you self, you understand. If you figure your attitude.
Like one guy tell me that year. He said, I don't know why. All wrong men. I don't always come meet me. Wrong guys. When I come follow this guy, just I can't say, you are the one with the problem.
You are the one with the problem.
You have a problem. Because very negative girl like this. I say, which man won't come stay now? Because if you see nothing, na toxic girl.
Very toxic.
Toxic girl. That girl, if you see what she
that girl is toxic.
I said, she talk. I said, She say, be like this, that na runs she won't go do. I say, hero.
Even the runs go wrong.
She can't say, I said, runs don't go straight. After you no go agree stay. Why? Because you personally need to check yourself first.
You see, in this life, what is good for the goose is good for the gander. Do you understand? But there's a musician that said, what's good for the goose is good for the ganga.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope that don't hear word from us right about now. Mayozi.
All right, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Padi Padi. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Padi Padi. I did on top Instagram at Mayowa Ekpo. The same thing with my guy, my G, at Ogbolo. Even on top Twitter at Wazobia TV NG. And then personally, na Mayowa Lambe and at Funny Ogbolo. Now, if you now say you have too much data, you don't want to move and enter inside the YouTube. Enter youtube.com/Wazobia TV, search for Padi Padi. And if you want to face us with your problems, you understand, just enter Facebook and /Wazobia TV. Padi Padi, everything where you find, you go see. And for anytime when I do this, I always feel myself. You understand? I just feel like professional.
All right, guys, we go see you now again on Monday, God willing. God bless you. Make sure you get better weekend, and please make sure you did okay. Love your neighbors, love yourself, but most importantly, yourself change. Yourself change where you go need to change. Thank you very much. We love you. We love you. We love you. If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.